I have a feeling this is going to be a two-parter. Maybe three. So, I'm sorry, I couldn't even look at that photo without giggling. That's the kind of humour that we have on this. So this is the Hill of Tara. It's actually very busy for the day that's in it. Like, I had to park in the parking where you pay for parking, in the parking. And then as soon as I walk out, there's lots of free spots. It's like, oh god. Right, I do know tour bus come here because I've done a Google map and I can see tour buses. So apparently here in 433 AD, St. Patrick came along here and lit a torch for the inauguration for the King of Ireland, Scotland, I think it is. It could be just Ireland, but yeah. And apparently if you put your foot on the thing, it cries out, claiming the rightful king. So instead of buying the lotto ticket for the 19 million euro tonight, which I'm still going to do, we're going to see if we're a king. Yeah, we're not, but you know, it'd be nice to build up some drama. Now, I'm sure this would be aerial footage gold, but there's a big sign saying no drone, so no drone. Plus, also, I didn't bring my drone, so I think I have to go up into this little hole here. Maybe not, maybe. Seems to be very popular. A lot of people probably just go for a jog around here. It seems to be health freaky people. Yeah. Let's be careful of the gates. So this is the Hill Tara Visitor Centre. It says closed because of COVID. Or maybe because it's a Saturday morning. So there's a church here. And where there's a church, there's usually a burial ground. So there might be some people here that you know. Seems to be some construction work going on some other walls as well. And I think I got in on the wrong side. I'm actually the church part, not in the hill part. Right? No, I thought there was a way over down there, but it's not. So great. That's one thing Google Maps can't help with. But stay tuned, because I'm not going to stop recording because I need the video footage. So this is what it looks like from this side. So that's the church. That's the hill. Seems very empty. Should we take a little stroll? See where we end up. So it looks like I have to go that way. Okay. I'll do it. Because you all know you want to see me do it. There we go. Just jump the wall of a church going out. So, yeah. Lightning strike is going to hit me when I hit this top of the hill. You all know that. So. Just walking to this reminds me of an episode of Father Ted. There's the field, there's the stone, and then there's the mound. So from aerial perspective, this looks pretty cool. From the ground perspective, let's be honest, it doesn't look that good. But let's see, we're only starting. Now, in Ireland it rains a lot, so you can get slippery ground. So this would be like mini stone? No,